Hi guys, Happy New Year and welcome back. It's the Sassy Way here. So the other day I read an article or blog post, whatever you want to call it, on 4 ways to remove nail polish at home without a nail polish remover. And so I figured I'd test it out for you on camera today and see which, if any, of the 4 methods work. I'll also add the link in the description below if you'd like to check it out for yourself. For the first method, which is a vinegar and orange juice soak, it says to first combine an equal amount of white vinegar and orange juice until it is well mixed. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed orange juice and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Then it says to dip a cotton pad in the mixture and press it onto your fingernails for about 10 seconds until the nail polish softens. After 10 seconds, they say to pull down on the cotton pad to remove the nail polish and the pigment should melt right off. Then they suggest to moisturize your hands and cuticles right after, since the vinegar can dry out your hands. Wow, okay, so that didn't work at all. And I'm kind of glad that it didn't work, to be honest, because I personally hate the smell of vinegar. Anyway, let's move on to the second method, which is using hand sanitizer. And for this, they suggest adding a drop of hand sanitizer on a cotton pad and rubbing it on your nails till the nail polish comes off. And then go in with the moisturizer, because the alcohol in the hand sanitizer can dry out your hands as well. Well, that certainly removed the nail polish. And to be honest, I wasn't expecting it to remove it, because the link said to get 75% of isopropyl alcohol, but I couldn't find any hand sanitizers that had 75% of that particular alcohol. And as you guys saw, I used 80% of ethyl alcohol or ethanol, and I guess that worked as well. The third alternative method is to use toothpaste, and the one that I'm using today is the Crest 3D White. And for this method, they suggest squeezing the paste right onto the fingertips and rub it in, and apparently the nail polish should just lift right off. I'm not surprised that the toothpaste didn't work. I'd be more surprised if it did, but I am kind of bummed that now when I remove my nail polish, my fingertips won't be smelling minty fresh. Now for the fourth and final method, they suggest using 3% hydrogen peroxide with hot water. I'm using hot tap water, as hot as I can handle. To make this mixture, they suggest using 1 part hot water with 2 parts of hydrogen peroxide, and then soak a cotton pad in the solution and rub it on your nails to remove the nail polish. And then apply some moisturizer, because the hydrogen peroxide can irritate the skin. Yeah, I didn't think that this alternative method would have worked either, because 3% hydrogen peroxide is a pretty weak acid on its own, and then they said to dilute it with water, which makes me think that it would only make the hydrogen peroxide more weaker. Wow, okay, so only one alternative method worked in removing the nail polish, and that was using a hand sanitizer. So let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any of these methods, or if you know of any additional alternatives to using a nail polish remover. That being said, if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel for more beauty related videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Till then, bye bye.